Hello and welcome to PMCLaunch.com. Today we are covering a topic known as Project Management Technology Quotient, PMTQ. Now, don't worry, this is not a topic for your PMP exam, but this is from the latest Pulse of the Profession report from PMI. This is one of my most favorite reports that PMI does. It is available for free for everyone to download, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and download it. First link in the description will take you to the PMI website wherein you can download this report for free. It is a definite must read. Now, all rights acknowledged, no copyrights infringement intended. This report is available for free for everyone, so I'd highly suggest you go ahead and download your own copy. So, this is how it looks like. PMTQ, Project Management Technology Quotient. Now, this is the future of work, and there are a few things that I'd like to cover in this report, in this video. Do hang around. This is, like I said, a most must read report from PMI. So, it starts with there's no super secret formula to project success, and PMI data shows what it takes: engaged executive sponsors, projects aligned to organizational strategy, control over scope creep, and certainly. So, these are some of the most important things, right? If you're taking up a project management job role, if you are attending an interview and they ask you, okay, well, what are some of the super secret formula for project success? Nobody is going to say super secret though, but if somebody asks you in an interview, what are the formula for project success? You can say engaged executive sponsors, projects aligned to organizational strategy, and control over scope creep. This is what PMI themselves are suggesting. So you cannot go wrong with this answer. So, this is one of the many reasons why I say it is very important and necessary to read these beautiful reports that come out of PMI. Now, yet despite all the talk, project performance isn't getting any better. So, 85% of the respondents say AI, artificial intelligence, will significantly change the way they do business in the next 5 years. So, AI is coming. That's the future of work. You need to change. How? That's exactly what we are looking at in this video and in this report. So with so much at stake, it's time to ask project leader, what's your PMTQ, which means project management technology quotient. So here's the definition which I'd like to cover. TQ, or technology quotient, is a person's ability to adopt, manage, and integrate technology based on the needs of the organization or the project at hand. So what's your TQ? Think over it. How are you able to adopt, manage, and integrate technology on your current projects that you're working on? That's your TQ score. Now, high PMTQ is defined by three characteristics. One is always on curiosity. So you're always looking for what's next, trying out new project delivery approaches, new ideas, new perspectives, technologies, keeping an open mind along with a healthy dollop of skepticism means you know when to integrate project delivery, emerging project delivery practices without chasing after new digital trends. So, do you have this? Where do you stand when it comes to always on curiosity? Number two, all inclusive leadership. So, you're getting the best out of your team, no matter the age, level, on the org chart, digital knowledge, skill set, or location. You're not just managing people, but also managing tech, which is very, very important. Are you managing tech? And I'll give you an example. I used to manage projects in one of my previous organizations, and they introduced a new tool to manage projects. And I had a hard time to learn that tool. But finally, I learned that and I was able to manage my projects better with the new tool. So that was managing tech, not just people, but you need to manage tech as well. And managing people who know how to manage tech. That is also extremely important. Can you hire someone who can manage that new tool and manage that person instead? There might also be some robots on your team too. Next 5 years, there could be robots in your team, if not already. You not only advocate for technology, you're creating a whole cadre of digital ambassadors who help make the case. So, all inclusive leadership, always on curiosity, and number three, a future proof talent pool. You're recruiting and retaining project professionals with the skills most needed for this digital era. They have the will, the disposition, and ability to keep up with the trends and adapt their skills accordingly. And they help their teammates to do the same. When DevOps gets a new complementary partner in DevOps, for example, they are on it. DevOps is development, DevOps is design. And while that might be cutting edge today, they know it will be short-lived advantage. So a future-proof talent pool. So these are the three things that define how high your PMTQ is. And if it's not too high, they have in this report, they've also covered here's how you can help your organization get there. Put technology front and center, build digital fluency across the enterprise, reimagine career journeys, think talent triangle, the PMI's talent triangle. We have covered that in a report earlier. Second link in the description will take you to all the reports that we have covered. And there are some of the most beautiful reports that come out of PMI, and we have covered all of them. So this is the report. I'll share the direct link, first link in the description. Do go ahead, download this. This is for free and it's a very small report, so it will not take much time to go through it. So that's pretty much all that we had in this video. These kind of videos will keep you help abreast with what's going on in the world of project management. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you.